Samsung's New Year surprise is already here as we're going to talk about the official Galaxy S25 details, including the official renders, official unpacked teaser, official colors, and the official actual design. It's been a jam-packed Samsung week. Before we begin, in case anyone still had any doubts, the latest report from ELEC further confirms that the entire Galaxy S25 series will get the official Snapdragon 8 Elite exclusive chip. And yes, that also includes the new Galaxy S25 Slim, which Samsung has pretty much confirmed through their unpacked teaser image. Yes, in case you haven't noticed, the teaser image is showing off 4 devices, which is in line with what we have heard regarding the S25 series. So Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the S25 Slim. Speaking of Galaxy S25 Slim, the latest report regarding the specs showcased that it's actually gonna be a little bit too powerful, especially when you consider the camera. Not only is said to have the main camera setup of the S25 Ultra, which is a 200 megapixel sensor, but also it could pack the new 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The only difference would be the periscope zoom. So instead of that, it's gonna get that 3.5x 50 MP telephoto from the S25 and the S25 Plus. Furthermore, according to iOS Universe, the thinness of the S25 Slim will be ridiculous. It's said to be around 6mm range, which is gonna be quite a bit slim, especially if you compare the 8.2mm thinness of the S25 Ultra. The only catch is that the S25 Slim stock will come out a bit later in the year, so although it's gonna get announced at the Unpacked event, it might not be available for the shipping right away. Moving on, we have another live leak, which is the Galaxy S25 Plus in action. You can see pretty much the same kind of design as we expected. The only difference we can see is with the new antenna band, which is now on the side of the phone. This is the new millimeter wave 5G antenna. Now, there is a rumor going on that Samsung might actually bring an eSIM variant only of the S25 series in the US. We'll see if that actually happens or not in the coming days very soon. Now, along with the official teaser image, we also have the official renders of the Galaxy S25 series, including the Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus. They're looking pretty good, very bezel-less. In fact, according to iOS Universe, Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to have the thinnest bezel of all of the top-end flagship phones in the 2025, at least on the first half of the year. Based on these official renders, that actually sounds really good. Also, here are the complete list of the official colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Once again, quite a packed ultra color lineup we have on our hands. Exciting online colors like pink gold, jade green, and even a jet black variant sounds super exciting. And last but not the least, the next gen version of Bixby is indeed coming, and it's gonna be really powerful and very clever. iOS Universe even says that Bixby is gonna be one of the biggest selling points for the S25 series, so you better believe that Bixby is getting really smart at solving your problems. With this big update, Bixby will be able to pull data from all the other applications, for example, calendar, your emails, and even your internet browser, basically getting more aware than ever before. So that's all the latest Samsung news unpacked. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.